Hello everyone and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Tonight's video we're going to be choosing two winners from the What Was in My Stash video for two Diamond Art Club paintings. So there will be two winners. And we've got the URL loaded up and ready to go. So my wonderful co-host here will be announcing what painting we're going to be giving away first.
The Serene Siren Triptych.
And?
Soulmates.
No, that's Little Light of Mine.
It says Soulmates.
I know, but it's in Soulmates box.
Oh, all right, Little Light of Mine.
So we're going to go with this one first.
The Serene Siren Triptych.
All right, so good luck everyone, and here we go. And the winner is
DP with Fibro.
Congratulations. If you could go to the description down below and email me and we can discuss shipping arrangements, that would be great. Okay, so we are going to set up again for our next winner, which will be Little Light of Mine. And here we go. Good luck, everyone. Now, we'll wait until my husband stops playing with his phone. All right, here we go. And the winner is
Sensational Crafter.
All right, Sensational Crafter, please go down below in the description and grab my email and email me so that we can get in contact in regards to shipping arrangements. Okay, congratulations to both of our winners. Thank you so much, and we will talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.
Goodbye.